let's define a function named message with, let's say, welcome, and we'll take the argument as string. So we'll add a welcome message to the string. So let's make a nested function, add welcome, and then we will return a string, return, let's take it as welcome to, and then let's concatenate it with a return statement, return add welcome, and then we will add a string, okay, and then let's define another function. So it is a function inside a function. Let's put the argument as site underscore name, and we'll return site name. So let's print message with welcome, and let's put the site as www.youtube.com. So let's run it. So you can see it is printing welcome to youtube.com. So decorators are very powerful and useful tool in Python, since it allows programmer to modify the behavior of function and class. So we'll take the same example and we'll use a decorator function. So let's define a new function name, decorate underscore message, and let's put 1 as the argument. So let's make the nested function as above. Let's make it as add welcome, okay, and let's put the argument as site underscore name, and then we'll return same here as welcome to, and let's put 1 and site underscore name, okay. So we will return add welcome. So decorator returns a function, so return add welcome, and now we'll put @decorate underscore message. So let's define a function, let's name it as site, and site name as the argument. So we'll return the site name, site underscore name. Now we will just print the site, and we'll put the site name as www.youtube.com. So let's run it. So you can see welcome to youtube.com. So this decorator is a function that takes a function as the only parameter and returns a function. So this is helpful to wrap functionality with the same code over and over again. So let's use a decorator which is useful to attach data also. So let me make a function named attach underscore data. Here we will take the argument as function. So function dot data equals 3, and we'll return the function, return function, okay. So we will put here the decorator @attach underscore data, okay, and we will define a function named add. Let's put the argument as x and y. So here we will return x plus y. Here it is a comma, not full stop, comma. We'll put return x plus y, and now we will just print add, let's say 2, 3, and here we will also print add dot data. So let's see the output. So you will see 5 and 3. So the add returns the sum of x and y passed as argument, but it is wrapped by a decorator function. So by calling add 2 comma 3, we simply give sum of two numbers, but when we call add dot data, then add function is passed into the decorator function, attach data, okay, as an argument, and then function returns add function with an attribute data that is set to 3, hence it print 3.